This year, we are seeing less curves in all aspects, and that's why I bring to you the ultimate portrait camera device. Will this one meet the pace set by its predecessors? This is the Reno8 T 5G unboxing and first impression. From TechWiz, I'm Jesse. Let's take it and go. The Reno8 T 5G comes packed in a sleek white box. Inside is the safety guide, SIM ejector tool, black matte case, 67-hour charging brick, Type-C charging cable, and the phone comes with a pre-applied screen protector. Our unit comes in a midnight black shade, but you can get yours in the dawn gold variant. The phone is slim and lightweight, measuring 7.7mm and 171 grams respectively. At least you have one thing in your life that doesn't weigh you down. It comes with a plastic back that's a fingerprint magnet, but thankfully you can slap a case on it. The phone has a 6.7-inch slightly curved AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz. It's very visible during a good sunny day, with a peak brightness of 950 nits. It is worth noting that the display is protected by Asahi Glass 2. The right side has a power button, while the left side has the volume buttons. At the bottom is the Type-C charging port, bottom-facing speaker, microphone, and a SIM card slot. The bottom-facing speaker impressed me more compared to any of the phone speakers I've ever had before. You can't miss a call even a mile away. Like its predecessors, there's no headphone jack. At the back is a triple camera setup, which we'll talk about it later. For biometrics, we have the quick fingerprint reader and the face unlock. My favorite was the face recognition sensor, which with a quick glance unlocked the phone. Going under the hood, we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G 6nm processor paired with Adreno 619 GPU. Android 13 and ColorOS 13 come baked in to run the phone. Reno8 T 5G ships with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. You can expand the RAM with up to 8GB of virtual RAM. These features make the performance smooth from multitasking to switching between apps with efficiency. A good reminder, we bring you great content. Click the subscribe button for more. There was no lag on this phone during my combo gaming, switching from Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt. The Reno8 T lasted more than 3 hours continuous play without the phone overheating. It lasted a day and a half on medium usage. You can charge the 4000 mAh battery from 0 to 100 in 40 minutes. OPPO brags about the 108 megapixel portrait camera, which is the highlight, and this does not disappoint. We also have a 2 megapixel depth camera and a 2 megapixel micro camera, which both do relatively well in good lighting. Coming to the front is a 32 megapixel camera. Video recording is capped at 1080p for both the selfie and the main camera. You get vivid and sharp details with photos taken on the main and the selfie camera. The portraits are highly defined with clear background separation. This is the ultimate portrait camera smartphone. In general, I consider the OPPO Reno8 T 5G as my daily driver, for it's not only packed with the best features outside, but also inside. For a mid-range phone, this is highly recommended, for it comes with a good design, great camera, great performance, and a powerful battery. The full review, pricing, and availability details are in the description box below. Be sure to leave a comment and subscribe for more of our content.